Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Corolla LE CVT. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in blueprint. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your aggressive front styling, daytime running lights, and backup camera. But why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping ourselves inside with our key fob right here, it's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with black cloth seating. On the bottom you do have your manual seat adjustment levers. So now why don't we hop inside. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel here first. These arrows right here will help you navigate through your multi-information display that's located right in the center there. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have your Toyota safety sense with dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist, as well as your cruise control speed settings right next to that. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on audio sources, right? Of course, you have your AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth device. Corolla does have a backup camera, giving you those nice guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice turning dials, of course, controlling your temperature, intensity, and you got all your functions underneath. Below that, you have some nice storage space as well as driver and passenger heated seats. Behind the shifter, you have your electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders, a center console. Also features a 12-volt outlet and a USB port. And lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. Nice and simple, lots of room in here as well. So let's just close that right up. So before we hop into the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom, just like the driver's side, you do have some storage space. Continuing with that black cloth seating. Behind the front passenger seat, you do have a little pocket for some storage. And lastly, you pull that down. You got 2 cup holders in there as well, and a nice little armrest. What you do is hold this button on your key fob and that trunk will open right up for you. Taking a look inside, there's lots of room in here. Of course, we have the folding seats that do go down, encasing that extra bit of space. Inside we have some extra storage compartments, and on this underneath, pull that up, you do have your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Corolla LE CVT. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.